How to fix mobile data connected but no internet. Hey everyone, welcome back. If your phone shows mobile data is connected but nothing loads, no website, no apps, then you don't have to worry. It's a very common Android issue which you can solve by following these steps. First, swipe down on your notification panel and turn on airplane mode. Keep it turned on for 30 or so seconds, then disable it. This refreshes your mobile network connection. Then the next step is to restart your phone. Long press on it and then tap on restart and you should be good to go. Then you need to check your data balance and plan. Make sure that your mobile data hasn't expired or reached its daily or monthly limit. Then you can also toggle mobile data and change network modes. So for that, go to settings, then go to connections and go to mobile networks. Now, once you are here, turn mobile data off and on, then switch your network mode. So, for example, on your preferred network mode, switch to LTE, 3G, or 5G, and you'll be good to go. Then you need to disable VPNs or private DNS. For that, go to More Connection Settings, and then from there, you want to go to Private DNS. If you've set any private DNS, make sure you select Off. And the next step is to check if there's any data restriction. You can go to individual apps and check your data. For example, if I just go back and head over to apps, select the affected app. I'll just go ahead and select Brave, for example. Then from there, go over to mobile data. Make sure that mobile data is turned on and background data usage is allowed as well. And finally, if nothing works, you can reset your network settings. So scroll down all the way on management, tap on it, then go to reset, and then finally tap on reset mobile network settings. Tap on reset settings, you'll be good to go. I hope this was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.